just wanted to hop on. I was just going to do a quick workout real quick on my S22i, and I just wanted to hop on and make a video real quick of the top 10 reasons why I love my S22i bike. First off, starting with the auto incline and decline features. And so this front end here, this whole portion actually goes up and down with the incline and decline motor, and gets adjusted throughout your workouts. And so that's all done automatically and isn't just like your stationary spin bike that just sits there and you just hop on and spin your wheels or spin your flywheel as fast as you can. So that's a big point for me, just because I can hop on, I can tap on a workout and get started with it, and it'll take me through trails of Moab, it'll take me through different trails through northern Utah, all around the world, to where you can be riding in Hawaii or anything like that, and the bike is going up and down to match those GPS coordinates of the incline and decline throughout whatever ride you're doing. So really neat feature. Other products don't offer that, and so that's number one for me on top reasons why I love the bike. Okay, reason number two why I love my S22i bike is because the simplicity of it. It's literally like 3 taps on the touchscreen and you're into a workout. So this is a screensaver that you have going at first. You just tap it, brings it up, loads your screen, asks who's working out. You can have your different accounts. So if you have a family plan, you can have up to 5 different users. This will save all of your data and all of your workouts, and you can set different goals and different schedules, different scheduled workouts or anything like that. And this is where you can tap in to get into your account. And so I'll just tap into that. So it saves all my workout stats to that and goes towards my workout goals and not my friends or family or whoever else is on my account. And so I'm on here. So speaking of having scheduled workouts, I have my scheduled one right here. Or if I'm in a challenge, like I'm in this challenge right now, where you can go through and earn different IFIT medals and stuff, just like these medals that I had earned off the treadmill. So I have this challenge going right now that I'm going to hop into, that actually I'm doing tonight, and so I can just tap into that and it'll pop right up, and then you're into that. You can view challenge and hop into them. I think I'm 4 rides into it. So then I just continue challenge and it's up and ready to go. And then you're ready to start workout and get going on it. So quick and easy, and then I'm jumping into the workout and it's doing everything else for me. From here on out, this is I believe it's a 25-minute workout. All I have to do now is hop on and read a book, watch the workout, whatever I want to do while it's keeping track of everything for me. So that's reason number 3 for me is the large touchscreen. This has got a 22-inch touchscreen. This is the 2020 version of the S22i bike. They do have the S27i model now that goes up to 27-inch touchscreen, which is even larger, so even nicer. And this is like totally immersive. So I am just here in my basement, not in like some fancy workout room or anything. It's just my basement where kids play, where I work out, just an extra room we had. So this is where I threw it. But being in the basement, it's dark down here. I can flip off the light and get going on a workout on here, and it'll literally feel like I am out riding. Like this one's in Santa Clara, California, and I'm riding through trails and stuff and mountains over there. And so that's another big point for me, is the big screen to bring me basically into a workout. Even though I could be just staring at this wall, I could be flip the blinds open and look at the basement gutters and stuff that are out there, or I could be in California, all from my house here in Utah. So that's a big point. Okay, excuse the shaky screen if it's shaky, but reason number 4 why I love my S22i bike is the fans. You've got a fan here with 3 different adjustments, or you can even go with auto adjustments, the auto breeze. Basically where you'll be going up and down and through workouts, and it'll auto adjust for you if it gets to a harder workout or you're doing more intensity and stuff levels. Then it'll bump up those fans for you. Those are a lifesaver, so you don't have to hang up some fan up on the wall or have some box fan sitting here or anything like that. It's all just blowing right on you, right into your face, and keeping you cool during your rides. So, okay, next up, number 5 of my 10 reasons is caged pedals that are not clip-in, not SPD. Some people love SPD pedals, and that might be for them, but personally I just hop on, I throw on my Nikes that I can use on my treadmill, on my rower, anything like that. I just leave them down here in the workout room, and I can just hop on and slip them into the caged pedals. The new S22i bike actually comes with both caged, and you can flip it over and get SPD clips going too. So you can replace these with those kind of pedals too. It's just the standard 9/16 thread pattern. So if you wanted to do that, you could, but my preference is this, just so I can throw on any shoes and do it anytime. Okay, number 6 on the list is the seat. It is not the stock seat. This is the seat that I picked up off Amazon about a week into owning my bike, because the stock one, you'll find out, unless you're really used to skinny little road biking seats, it's really uncomfortable. So upgraded to this. This was like 30 bucks. I think they actually have a discount at like $19 now, and so 100% you want to swap to the nicer seat that makes it wider, makes it much nicer, much easier to hop on the bike, so you're not tired and not wanting to hop back on there again after your first ride. So I'll even throw a link into this exact seat, and I have made a video of installing it. It's super easy, not hard to swap out at all, and so I'll include that in the description below. Okay, number 7, the IFIT Rewards program. Like I mentioned before, you can earn these different medals. This was from Surf City doing a 5K race. This was a turkey trot race on Thanksgiving of just last year, 2021. Different workouts. These are ones that I did on my treadmill. You can also do them on the bike. Currently doing that one challenge I was talking about. To get like the Sapphire medal through that, you do 16 different workouts. You can earn Sapphire, Silver, and Bronze, I believe. You can do that on any bike, treadmill, rower. Right now I'm enrolled in the bike and the treadmill, or bike and the rower, because my treadmill is missing a tread belt. I've got to put that together. So you can also earn these magnets here. These are just different challenges that I've gone through, and you can throw up. I've seen people build magnet boards and stuff to throw them onto. I just stick them onto here, just because that's where I have to put them. So IFIT Rewards. Okay, number 8. I kind of touched on it before, but the auto magnetic resistance. This is all going to be backwards on your screen there, but silent magnetic resistance that goes on here through stopping your flywheel. That is all done through either the touch of the button on the resistance buttons over here, or you've got the incline and decline, which also can mess with the resistance as well, and that can all be done automatically through your IFIT workouts. So just like I said in the beginning, hop on the bike, touch a workout, start it. It's all done for you. If it gets too hard, you drop the resistance. If it gets too easy, you can raise it up, or you can just not worry about it at all. And if it works for you in that setting, then you're good to go through the whole workout. Okay, number 9 of favorite things I love about my S22i is the Bluetooth headphone connection. I'm in the warm-up setting here in the workout. You start in this for the first minute or so. Down at the bottom here, you've got that button to tap on Bluetooth accessories, and then right there I've got my AirPod Pros. Just tap on connect, and it'll connect it and play this audio, play the trainer audio, whatever I want to play through my headphones, so nobody else is hearing my workout around me. So I can blast it up and just get pumping on it. So number 10 of my favorite things on the S22i is the portability. It has the 2 wheels in the front on both sides over there, and then in the back you just lift it up by the seat rail or down on the bottom frame portion down there, and you can just tip it up and roll it wherever you need it in the room. Just unplug it, make sure your cord's pulled out of there, and then you're able to roll it wherever you need it. I recently moved. I was able to just roll it in, just get help going up and down stairs, and then you're just rolling it wherever. So super easy. The bike is surprisingly heavy to keep it sturdy. This model is about 210 pounds, and so it's super nice to have those wheels on there. So that was the 10 things that I love about my S22i bike. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to help with those.